Hello and welcome to Model Trains. I hope you're all doing well. This is a special holiday premiere box opening edition of a Hornby NCB mineral wagon, unopened and sealed from new over 51 years ago. As National Coal Board is a brand that I do run on my model layout, when this rare unopened example came along in an auction, I had to bid for it and was very lucky to pick this one up. I don't normally ask very often for my viewers to subscribe, but as I'm so close to my first 100 subscribers, I thought now is a good time to grovel. Now if you're anything like me, I sometimes forget to subscribe. I then go to my search history to pick up on the channel to see other stuff. As you know, that doesn't always work. It's far easier to subscribe and it's free, and it really helps the channel, and it really helps me with what I have planned for the coming year. So once we surpass the 100th subscription benchmark, I'll open up this time capsule to review the contents. I sincerely hope it's an NCB wagon. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas 2024. Don't forget to click like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.